The following video shows how to work with the Objects panel in Microsoft Expression Blend 3. With Microsoft Expression Blend 3, you can create well-designed user interfaces and provide a great user experience for your users. But to do that, one must be fully knowledgeable about the Object and Timeline panel. By default, the Objects panel lays everything out in markup view. So in the Objects panel, if I clicked on Contacts, and for demonstration purpose, I'm going to change the color to red. And when I dragged it over another object, it was on top, which threw me off because it was at the bottom. Usually what I expect for the top layer to always be on top of the bottom layers. So it took a little while to figure out that if I clicked on toggle this button, it allows you to sort by Z order, which is what I would like to see when designing UIs. So now that we have our Objects panel in the correct sorted by Z order, I want to discuss probably the most powerful feature of the Objects panel, which is the ability to have parent-child relationships. And I'm going to select on the mute object, which is a canvas that has a text component and a mute icon. This is very powerful because you can actually manipulate the children and see the children without it being hidden from you. In other applications, you really only see the parent and you can only manipulate the parent. And you would have to actually go into that object and manipulate the children. So to illustrate on how powerful the Objects panel is, in this application, you can see that we have 6 objects for these icons, which would then be part of this main component, which would then be part of this bigger component, which would then actually go into the iPhone. So applications can get very complex, and having it structured like this in a parent-child relationship is going to go a long way into developing animations in your timeline. This concludes this movie on the Objects panel in Microsoft Blend 3. I look forward to any questions or comments you may have. Thanks.